Hey, I'm in the neighborhood where I grew up. We used to take this road to walk to the bus stop. So the bus stop was in that direction. It still is. If you're walking to the bus stop, you want to go to town, you want to go to Cranbourne, you want to go to wherever. This is Canada Drive. Absolutely beautiful. Very quiet. Well, according to my standards, it's very quiet. I grew up here. Never thought I would come back and stay in this neighborhood, because I thought I wanted something new, but found myself back here. As I was walking home, I met my son. There he is. Say hello.
Hello. When not Yakangwadis.
He was a bit taken aback by the dog, but the barking dog. This is Canada. Oh yeah. So the other part of the video was on the other side of the road. So if you're going that direction, you're going towards Zairija Braeside. I would take this road to walk to school. That greenhouse up there, there's a friend of mine who used to stay there. And if you're watching, what's up, girl? Okay, so if you left Braeside a long time ago, there's now a nursery school here and a tuck shop over there. Yep. So the school, the primary school I went to, which is Nelson, is literally like behind that greenhouse. So I would take a left there, right here, and then a right, and then I would actually be seeing the school. So sometimes I would actually leave the house after the school bell had already rung. This is Leroyd. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, everyone I knew who used to stay in this wood is not here anymore. I don't know where they went. This is Leroyd. The guy who used to fix shoes, like repair them or something, over there is still there. And now there's a salon next to him. I've grown to fall back in love with this neighborhood. They say depression hates a moving target. So always make it a point that if you ever feel depressed or anything like that, you start moving. So that's what I do.